It all begins with something simple, a handful of coffee beans scattered across the table. They hold the scent of morning, of focus, of quiet power waiting to be awakened. As the grinder hums softly to life, the rhythm of the day begins to form. Nearby, a clove of garlic meets the blade, sharp, grounded, ancient. Two worlds, one earthy and one bold, coming together in the same breath of ritual and intention. Garlic is crushed, releasing its essence. Coffee waits to absorb that warmth, that hidden fire. Each motion is deliberate, the steady hand, the subtle pause, everything measured and real. The aroma
And here are
rises,
some finely
familiar
diced
yet
pieces of
surprising,
garlic.
as if rediscovering an old truth in a new form. There's beauty in the swirl, the moment when ingredients merge and the lines between them dissolve. Steam drifts upward, vanishing as it moves through the light, a quiet reminder that energy is never still. It changes shape, it continues. Hands find warmth in the cup. The first sip, simple, grounded, honest. It isn't about perfection or performance. It's about being fully present in the act of care. Each breath slows, each thought softens, and in that moment, the world narrows to one cup, one heartbeat, one quiet sense of renewal. The body responds almost without notice. A subtle lift, a step toward light. The quiet transition between rest and readiness, where intention becomes movement. Every step feels more deliberate now, like the body remembering its own rhythm. A door opens. The scent of coffee fades into the breath of open air. Outside, the morning greets you with that same gentle balance of warmth and clarity. Even the still moments seem alive, the hum of the day just beginning beneath the calm. The cup remains behind, empty but not forgotten. Light catches its edge, a reflection of what was shared, a brief moment that lingers beyond itself. The same light now fills the world beyond the window, tracing new paths across your day. Outside, the world opens wide. A calm mind, steady breath, grounded energy, all born from one simple ritual. The day begins again, familiar yet new, reminding us that strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it's as quiet as a sip of coffee, as humble as a clove of garlic, and as powerful as the choice to start with intention. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or other qualified health provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or health objectives. Never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you have watched or read here. Reliance on any information provided by this video or the channel is solely at your own risk. Before starting any new diet, supplement regimen, exercise program, or making any changes to your current medical treatment, you must consult with a healthcare professional.